Welcome to my channel Unavum Arogyamum. Today I will discuss you about the nutritional benefits of garlic. Actually this garlic now from last 5000 years before itself we are using this in our cooking. Actually this garlic, it contains some compound like allicin, diallyl sulfate and sulfur containing amino acids. Apart from this, it also contains less calories and also high amount of manganese and also vitamin B6 and B vitamins. Apart from this, when we talk about the normal RDA of cloves per day is only, normal RDA of garlic is only 2 cloves is enough for our food intake. Okay, next I will tell you what are the benefits of taking garlic. First, it helps in protecting the heart. If the heart is protected, our life expectancy will be increased. Okay, what is the role of this garlic in this heart disease means? Actually, the sulfur containing compound, what it is doing means, the RBC, it reacts with the sulfur and produces H2S gas, and this gas will expand the arteries and prevent the block of atherosclerosis. And also this garlic, it will decreases the homocysteine compound. Otherwise the increased amount of homocysteine also what happen, it will make the lining, that is endothelial lining erosion, and it will leads to block. So even the amount of potassium is higher in garlic, so it will prevent the BP also. Also it will decreases the LDL and increases the HDL. So these are the benefits it does for the heart, and it makes the heart healthy. Next, number 2 benefit is diabetes mellitus. Even studies shows that intake of garlic decreases the glucose level. So it helps in preventing the diabetes mellitus in the future. And next is cancer. In cancer, this garlic, it contains more amount of antioxidants. This allicin compound, present in the garlic act as an antioxidant, and it help in forming the free radical production. So if free radical production is prevented, cancer cell is prevented, and it prevents the formation of stomach, colon and prostate cancer. So in this way, the cancer disease is prevented from our body. And next is Alzheimer's disease, dementia and mood depression. This and all, if you are taking high amount of garlic, what it is doing, the allicin compound, it will makes the neurons present in the brain healthy, and it prevents the degeneration of the neurons. So if the degenerative changes is prevented, the Alzheimer's disease, dementia and even our mood depression is prevented. Next is gut maintenance. Actually this garlic, it is a good prebiotic food. What is prebiotic food? It is nothing but it supplies the food needed for the growth of the favor producing bacteria. So if you are taking more amount of garlic, it will destroy the harmful bacteria in the gut, and it helps to prevent the gut from diarrhea and constipation. And even it will kills the this E. coli bacteria and all, it gets destroyed if you are taking high amount of garlic. Next is bone health. The calcium, it is present in the garlic. It helps in maintaining the bone, and it prevents the woman, mainly the menopausal woman, from the osteoporosis disease. Next is, it is useful for maintaining the skin glow, and even the selenium present in the garlic, high amount of selenium, it prevents the hair loss, and it is used for the growth of the hair. This study was published in the Journal of Dermatology. Okay, next is, it has an antifungal and antiviral effect. What is the role here means, it mainly it protects our body from the common cold. Actually, if you are taking garlic milk along with turmeric means, it will destroy the microorganisms and prevent us from the sore throat and common cold. Next is galactogogue. It functions as a galactogogue. What is the meaning of galactogogue? It is nothing but it increases the production of breast milk. So if you are taking more amount of garlic after delivery, study shows that the amount of milk production is increased. Next is liver intoxication. How this garlic helps in liver intoxication means, this garlic help in removing the lead and other poison producing substances in our body. So if it is removed, the liver is maintained healthy. Next is weight loss. Even the studies of Journal of Nutrition, it shows that if you are taking garlic along with honey, what happens? The weight loss is seen in the obesity person. So how it happens means, nothing but it increases the metabolic rate of the cells. In relation to that, automatically the weight loss is decreased. So these are some of the benefits of garlic. So try to take at least 2 cloves of garlic daily, either in the raw. Mainly the action of the allicin is increased in case of raw garlic intake. So if you are taking raw garlic, mainly we cannot take raw garlic daily, so you can soak it in honey, or you can soak it in the cooked rice and you can eat it, and even you can make it in chutney form raw. In chutney you can include this garlic and you can eat it. So in this way you try to take at least 2 cloves of garlic and have a healthy body. Thank you. If you like this, you subscribe this.